Alright guys, welcome back to another video. And today's video guys, we're gonna do a setup of the H1 gyro, which is on my T-Rex 500 right here. I'm currently plugging the computer already, so the computer is over this side. There's a radio, jeti radio we're gonna use to set it up. I already bound the jeti receiver and it's mounted in the back. You can see it on the camera guys, it's mounted right here and let me go, so it's right here in the back receiver and connected to the gyro. So let's come back over to the computer. Let's come over to the computer here. So we're gonna fire up the computer now, and just gonna so there we have the software on the computer. Bring it up some more. So the software is there right on the computer. So we're gonna plug in the helicopter.
Receiver bound.
So here that my receiver bound, and then we're gonna connect the gyro. We can see right here where it's spinning, so it's on comp 3, and there it's connected. And guys, if I move the radio, let me put it, you can put the radio here. So if I move the sticks on the radio, you can see stuff moving there in the software, everything moving here. Okay. One thing you want to do, you want to set up the gyro on the computer first. So what we're gonna do here, so on the radio, we're gonna take the radio and we're gonna check all the controls. So we're gonna go first collective. This is collective right here. We're gonna go up and it's read. Go negative and it's good. And then we're gonna go tail, it's right here. We're gonna go left, go right, go right. Elevator, we're gonna push forward, you go forward. We're gonna go back, you go backwards. And then over here is where you have your motor lock. So you got stop and you got run. Okay, and then we got over here, we got 3D, GPS, return to home. So that's right there. You got that's the circle mode, off. So this is a flight, auto flight. We got circle, and I got, I think this is figure eights. So you can go circle and figure eights and then back to circle, and you can turn it off. Auto invert. I gotta put auto invert in to get auto invert to work. So guys, on here you don't do any reversing, you do all the reversing in the radio. So all the reversing gonna be in the radio from here. So to reverse, I'm gonna show you. Let me go on the radio and show you. We're gonna go into menu, and we're gonna go into model, I'm gonna go all the way down to server setup. Clicking the server setup, and then guys, this is where you will do all your reversing. So on top, you got roll. You can go down here, see reverse right here. You can tell it yes to reverse, no, so I don't want to reverse, so it's fine as is. You can go over to the next one. Pitch, same thing. So pitch is reverse, you can see, and go over. Throttle, not reverse, still there. Yeah is not reverse, and flight mode, don't reverse. So everything else is the same. Turn to home, no reverse. Auto flight, no reverse. So it's all the same. Okay, let's go to here. Let's get this. So now guys, you do all the reversing in the radio, and we're gonna calibrate the sticks. So if you go and look right here, you see mark calibrate. Okay, I don't know if I can zoom in a little more. Okay, perfect. So it's a joystick calibration. We're gonna calibrate it now. So to calibrate it, we're gonna go start the calibration here. So we're gonna go to, oh, it's disconnected. Why? Let's reconnect it back. So we're gonna go to calibrate here. Click on calibrate. So okay. So we're gonna move all the sticks to the limits. So you see, you got calibration here. Okay. So all of our sticks are calibrated. And if you need to see, guys, you just click on this one. You start the calibration here. Just make sure everything goes to their limits. Everything, all the sticks. I do everything here. I do everything, and then I click OK. See, all the thing is calibrated. Perfect. Okay. So now calibration is done. We're gonna jump over. So we're not gonna do it here, but we're gonna come back and we're gonna do over here. And we're gonna do, so 500, so we're gonna do 500. Now this is where you're gonna have it, guys, where you're gonna set up a tail, this collective, swash, and the transmitter here. So everything here is already moving in the right way that I want it to go. So got around right, left, back, forward, back, forward, back. All my switches good. Thing work perfect. Thing is good. So we're gonna go calibrate, start bench calibration. I'm gonna do a calibrate here. So you're doing everything to the limit. So I'm just showing you guys how you get this thing going here. And then we're gonna go back to the center. We're gonna do our switches. And then we're gonna click OK. See, everything is calibrated here. We're gonna go next. So we're gonna go next. So right here is where we're gonna trim our swash plate. So we're gonna level the swash plate here, and you can see I circle this one already because this is what my swash plates look like. Elevator in the back. This is B, right aileron servo, and left aileron servo. So you're gonna stick this one, not this one. This one here. So we're gonna put on, connect our servo arms, and then we're gonna do level our swash plate. So you're gonna click start position. So this is where the swash level start position right here. So you're gonna, we can come over here to our helicopter. So right here is where we're gonna do connect our swash to our swash plate to our helicopter here. See. This one connected. Got the next one here. And put this one into a socket. I connect this one. I'm gonna connect this one here. So before we do anything, guys, we're gonna check. We're gonna check and see if all our servos are moving in the right direction. So we're gonna come back over here to the computer. And you see right here where it says start position, that's where your swash level. We're gonna say all servo up. So we're gonna click on all servo up, and all our servos should go up. If for some reason one go down and two go up, that's where you're gonna reverse it. Not in the radio, but right here, see reverse. That's where. So this is a cyclic servos. 1, 2, 3, right here. That's a cyclic servos, and that's what we're working on right now. So first we're gonna click on the up position and see. So as I click on that, I see that one. So let me go over to the helicopter so you can see what I'm doing. So if I click on the all servo up, you see 2 go up and 1 go up and 2 go down. So we're gonna reverse the right servo and the back servo. So the right servo is this one, C go up, and the back servo is this one, so C go back up. So now we're gonna go back. So they all centered right now. And let me check and see. So I think I need to trim the back servo some to get it centered. So I'm gonna use my swash leveling tool here to get so I'm gonna come back. So I'm gonna trim the back servo a little. This one here. That's a little bit too much. So let's go back up on this one. The right servo wanna go
Transmitter inactive.
up a little bit more on the right. So on the right servo, we're gonna go up. So right now I'm just playing with this servo to get it go down level. What I'm gonna do is turn this one out a little bit. Go like 2 turn on this one. Right now. So you can go another turn on this side. More turn on this side, guys. And you have it. It's perfect. It's level, perfectly level. It's perfectly level, guys. It's perfect. So alright guys, I already leveled the swash plate, and so I'm gonna get zero pitch on the helicopter itself right now. So I'm gonna come back. We're gonna come back into the software here. We are doing the setup. So this is the numbers I end up with to get my swash to level. Now I'm going to use a pitch gauge here. Let me go down some more. As you can see, I'm using the pitch gauge here to do swash leveling. So that I gotta move on here. That's really. So now I got to do the pitch and you can see I've got a pitch gauge on the helicopter here. So we're gonna do our pitch to get our desired throw here. So you can zoom in. Good. Too much. There you have it, guys. So we're gonna do zero pitch right here. Pitch gauge. So this is reading -3.
Transmitter inactive.
-3.5. Let's see what's going on with it now. So we're at 6. So we need to go in a turn. Let's see what's going on here. So let me go in a turn on this. One turn. See what to come up with. So we have a -2. Let's see what's the other blade reading. Same thing, so we gotta come down on this also. Let's see what's going on here. This one. Let's do a couple more. More. So guys, that's not fluctuating a being 1 and 2. I think that's the best you're gonna get it. Let's go back over here. See. Let's see if we can get some more on this. Five. So, alright guys, so we're gonna get the our desired so we're gonna go Gyro pitch right there. Okay. Alright guys, welcome back. So we got our helicopter we do the level swash and we do the pitch. So right now we're on the top for the pitch right there. That's the top for the pitch. So we're done with the pitch and tail. So we're gonna go next. So we are going to do the tail already. It's a tail, and as you can see, you do the left and the right, and then you can do the and then you can do the trim right here. So this is trim, left and right, and then if your server going the wrong way, you can reverse it right here, not in the transmitter anymore, but right here. So I will do mine. Going the right way, as you can see. Pan over the helicopter a little bit. Look on the tail. You can see it's going the right way. So left. That's right. And that's left. So you see my tail and my swash up, forward, backward. So look at my swash. So I can go up, down, up, down. I go forward, backward, side, right, left. So there you have it. Let's come back over to my computer. So right in the corner here, we're gonna press finish. Right here, I'm gonna press finish. So right there, we come back to the main screen where we got our main rotor right there. We got our gain percentage. Gain percentage. We got sensors. So we're gonna calibrate the sensor. And we got our throttle control at 60%, and as you can show, you're gonna move my stick. You can see 3, that's there. So it's showing you where you gotta calibrate the compass in the H1. I can see the H1 is blinking right now. See, there's blinking, so it need calibration. It's not calibrated yet, so we gotta go and calibrate that. And guys, if you click on the tutorial on the screen, you can see where it show you where you can do your calibration. So if you go to sensor here, so this is where you got set for your scale LA, your standard LA, and 3D beginner, 3D master. You can select either one of these and you get it going. So you got the Expo, Swash Expo at 50%, the swash gain at 16%, you got the swash rate 50%, agility in normal, so you got precise, normal and slow. So 50% normal, and then if you go lower you get precise. And then you have tail rate 37%, and that's not really fast. You can bump the tail rate up a little bit more if you want to. So I'll put my tail rate at 50%. I want to be at 50%, guys. 50%, and the tail pitch pre-comp is at 0. You never want to click this one, guys, because if you click that, it's lose every settings and it go back to factory default. So you don't want to click none of those stuff there, because if you want to click one of those stuff, then it go back to factory default, and you don't want that. Okay. What else? So right here in this corner here, they show you compass calibration needed. So if you scale over one more to sensor, this is where you're gonna calibrate the helicopter, and it show you where to automatic restart, but you're gonna learn the move. So you're gonna click on this one here, magneto calibration, and then you're gonna calibrate it. See, I have GPS of 10 satellite locked in right here, and the voltage is not detected because I don't have the thing connected on there. So low battery precaution. I can turn this off. I don't need it right now. So there you have it, guys. Of this, so one more thing to do is just to calibrate the sensors, and then we can do our first flight. So I'm gonna calibrate the sensor, and it's easy. Probably I calibrate it on camera or off camera, but it tell you what to do. Turn the helicopter each way to get it calibrated. So guys, we're gonna come back and show you more about this helicopter.